Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use zoom and pan effect in Camtasia. So this is one of the most interesting features of Camtasia, and it makes Camtasia stand out the crowd. And it is very simple and powerful. Let me show you on the screen, okay? So here I am inside Camtasia, and this is a screen recording I recorded with Camtasia, one of my tutorial here on YouTube. Let's drag and drop it onto the timeline. Okay, like this. So you see here I have a webcam. So this is my webcam and this is my screen recording. Normally I will have a short intro at the beginning of my tutorial. So I will scale my webcam video like this. Okay, and here's
Hey guys,
the intro.
welcome to another video on my channel.
After the intro, I will swing myself to the corner of the screen. So I will select it on the timeline and then go to animation. At the animation, I go to the animation tab, and here is the effect that I normally use to right. Okay, I just drag and drop it directly to the webcam video on the timeline. Then I will adjust the size of my webcam recording, okay, and move it to here. So Camtasia will create two keyframes for this video. This is a keyframe here, the first one and the second one. So this arrow will control the speed of your animation. Okay, so normally I will leave it by default, and this is the effect for.
Welcome to another video on my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to overlay your video in.
So this is the effect for my webcam, and I will start talking with my screen recording. At the part that I want to zoom in to a certain part on the screen, I will go to the animation again and then go to zoom and pan. So for example, if I want to zoom into this part on the screen, all I need to do is to adjust this rectangular box to the position I want to zoom in. So you can see it on the preview window here, and let's play it again.
In this tutorial, I will show you how to overlay videos in.
Nice, right? So Camtasia has created two keyframes for the screen video and two keyframes for the webcam. In this case, if I want my webcam to go together with my screen, I can simply delete the keyframe on my webcam recording like this. I could just delete it, so it will keep my my webcam on the screen all the time like this. Let's play again so you can see it
on my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to overlay videos.
Nice, right? For example, if I want to pan to other part on the screen, all I need to do is to just adjust this one, adjust this box, pan into this area. So we have another keyframe here on my screen, and also a keyframe for my webcam. And again, if I don't want to keep my webcam at the same position, I just delete the keyframe on my webcam recording. Okay, and that will keep my webcam always at the corner. Nice, right? And finally, when I want to zoom back to full screen, all I need to do is to select the screen recording layer here, and then I click on this button, scale to fit. It will go back to the to full screen. And also I want to keep my webcam at this area, so I will delete it. So it will be always at this area. Okay, so that is how you can apply zoom and pan effect in Camtasia. It is very simple, right? So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.